Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aziz bin Ruslan. So today I will be talking about the introduction. So imagine a world where the computer can understand human emotion just by scanning our faces. Like we all know that every human have their own expression when it comes to like talking to each other, and not all of us like can identify what are the situation they face right now. Maybe they are happiness, maybe they are currently in sadness or anything else. So we aim to build a deep learning model capable of identifying the emotion of the person itself. And also this is a challenging yet rewarding task that bring us closer to more natural, intuitive, and emotionally intelligent human computer interaction. And this project also help us to uh, to improve more in terms of AI technology itself by using the OpenCV and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Akil Hakimi bin Nazari. Now I will present about our objective or our main goal that we set for this project. We have 5 clear aims that help us to do our work. First, our main goal was to build a system that can find emotion on face like scanning our facial structure using a special kind of AI called convolutional neural network, or in short we call it CNN. This means creating the technology to see and understand feeling from a picture. Second, to build this system easier and better, we decide to use the Image AI tool and the ResNet 50 design for our AI model. Image AI made the coding much simpler, and ResNet 50 is very good at sorting image. Our third goal was really important, which is to check how accurate our model was at finding emotions. We tested a lot to see how well it worked. This also helped us understanding how things like batch size change its performance. Fourth, besides just making a system, a big goal for us was to get a real-world practice with advanced AI for computer vision. This project taught us a lot about how these powerful AI methods are used in real life. And finally, our last and biggest goal was to show that AI can do in understanding human feelings. We want to prove that AI can help computer interact with people in a more natural way and understanding way. So this is our main goal of 5 goals that we set for this project. And now I will pass it to the next presenter.
So Assalamualaikum. So right now I will be showcasing the code for the emotion detection. So let me share the page first. Okay. So let us start from the top. So the part one of this codes is to the train the model itself. Uh, Sorry. Okay. So let us see. Let me show everything. So this one up here is for us to this is to install the image AI, which is the library we use to train our to train our model. From there, this is for this down here, this from Google Colab import file to down here Kaggle. This is all the necessary codes to load the dataset from Kaggle itself. So up here is my key, and then here I set the permissions and download and unzip it. So next, down here is where the code, this is the code to train the model. However, I won't be able to show it here because the training, even for 10 epochs will take at least an hour to finish. So, but I will just show it here. So after that, the result will be something that look like this. So after it finishes here, it will give us two files. One is the model classes. The next one, it will give us the train model itself in the form of .pt. And then then we proceed to download it to save the model onto our computer, which then we'll re-upload it back on Google Drive. So next, this is the next part. So for this one, the top part, so this is for the testing for the train model, so to make the prediction. So the top here is everything is all the important library we need to import, and then here we we mount the drive to Google Drive, and then here we set the ResNet. Okay, and then from here, okay, so here we load our train weight from .pt files. So as you can see, this is the name of the file. And then next we load the class label, which is the JSON file. And then here we prepare the setting for the pre-processing first. So we resize, we center crop, we set it to grayscale later, and also normalize it. So then this part here is to upload the image. Down here is to display the image first, so that is easier for us to see back the image we uploaded. And then down here is where we pre-process the image. And then lastly is where we start showing the prediction result. So to showcase it, let me run this code first. Okay, now let's choose a file. So let's choose this file, this image first. So as you can see, this is a picture of me smiling, and here is the prediction result. So 20% happy around, and then another two lower, sad and neutral. So as you can see, the percentage is very low. This is because the amount of epoch we use is only 10, which supposedly the best one to use it is around 200. However, due to the time constraint and also the resource needed, we need to we only limit ourselves to only 10 epochs. So this right here, the one that I show here, this is only the image. This is the model that uses 60 that uses 32 batch size. So the batch size could be adjusted here. So this one 16 is the one I did not manage to make it. So this one is for this is the 32 batch size. So as you can see, the value is very low, but at least accurate. Okay, so now we'll change it to now we'll change this name, change this model to the one that uses the batch size of 64. So give me a moment. Okay, so this one is this is the 32 batch size, which has high accuracy. This one is 64, which has low accuracy. So then, why is it not working? Let's check again. Is it due to the name of the file? Emotion detection model. Oh, hold on, what is model? Oh, okay, so yeah, I see now. Okay, so let's restart again. So now right now I have loaded. Okay, so right now I have loaded the model that uses 64 batch size. So this is the result. Give it a second. Okay, so it loaded successfully. Now let's see the result. So as you can see, it gives out higher percentage. However, you get it wrong. Here say neutral, but the second one it says happy. So as you can see, the increasing the batch size increases its confidence, but however, it will end up giving wrong answer due to the low epoch size. However, if the epoch size is higher, then it will actually be increased. So that's all from me. I'll give it back to my friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aiman Daniel bin Zainuddin, metric number 2310765. Now let's move on to the last point, which is conclusions. The first one is we have developed a facial emotion detection system using ResNet 50 CNN model with image AI, enabling efficient training and evaluation. The second point is achieve promising accuracy, highlighting the potential of deep learning in effective computing. Though improvements are needed in dataset diversity and real-time performance. The last one is the future enhancements. Future enhancement include using larger datasets, enabling real-time video processing, and refining the model to better capture subtle emotional expressions. That's all from me. Thank you.